Hey, good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning, and I've decided I'm going to devote this weekend to writing my book. And I find myself procrastinating. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what to do when you find that you're procrastinating about something, because it's a lot easier to deal with than you might think. So procrastinating is just your brain's way of keeping you away from stressful stuff. So you avoid it, okay? But then if it's something you need to do, you get to a point where at some point you have to do it, right? So while you're procrastinating, you can actually make that event less stressful in your mind, and then you'll be okay moving forward. So if you find yourself in a situation like I am at the moment, I'm in the perfect writing situation. I've got my computer here. I like writing in bed, so I'm in bed with my computer. I've got some aromatherapy going with nice soothing music. I've got my coffee. Everything is perfect, just the way I like to write. And I'm finding myself all stressed out because I've got about 16,000 words in like a stream of consciousness, brain dump, format. And now what I need to do is I set up my outline in Scrivener, and I'm attempting to put all that information into an organized format that's appropriate for a book. Haven't done this before this way. So just because I can do technical writing and I've, written for scientific journals and stuff does not mean I know how to write a book. So I'm learning how to write one. 5 titles in, I'm finally learning how to write a book. So I find it really, really hard to go from this brain dump, just stream of consciousness talking about stuff, which I'm used to doing all the time, every day to people, into putting it into this format. And so every time I think about it and I start looking at it and working with it, my brain goes into overload, and I actually go into a hypnotic state is what happens. And your brain is like, okay, get away from that because that's stressful. Let's think about this instead. And so the good thing about that is I actually get my house clean and do the dishes and stuff because that's what I do when I procrastinate. But I want to write my book. So here's what you do. You can use an anchor, and it's a neurolinguistic programming technique, and it's so easy to do. So what you do is I'm going to run you through the process because I'm going to do it myself. So I want you to think about some event from your life that just feels really, really good. It just gives you the warm fuzzies and you just feel these good feelings. Let yourself feel nice and relaxed, and then put a thumb and finger together. Close your eyes. Just take a breath in. Let those nice, calm, happy feelings go all through you. Take another breath in. It feels good, right? And then let go of your thumb and finger, and with your eyes still closed, move your eyeballs up, down, side to side, and straight ahead. Put that thumb and finger together again. Take another deep breath. You can feel those good, relaxing feelings come back, right? Let go of your thumb and finger, eyes up, down, side to side, straight ahead. Now think about doing that task that has you stressed. So I'm thinking about trying to put my writing into that format. Put your thumb and finger together, take a deep breath. You can feel the good feelings come back. And it can be kind of funny sometimes, kind of disconcerting to feel yourself feeling good with a task that just a minute ago was making you feel stressed. But it feels really good. And then let go of your thumb and finger, eyes up, down, side to side, straight ahead. Now, without putting your thumb and finger together, just think about doing that task. Yeah, feels a lot better now, right? So yeah, now I'm ready to get going. And now you can use this anchor anytime you want, just a little burst of good, relaxing feelings. Use it anytime. Just close your eyes with your thumb and finger together, take a deep breath in, and you'll immediately feel better. You don't have to keep doing it for this same task that we used it for right now, though, because it's already anchored to that. It's automatic. You're automatically going to bring those good feelings up when you think about doing that task. So anyway, give it a try, see how it works for you. It can come in really handy, and have yourself a really great weekend.